Hello and welcome to Master Speech. And today we are going to discuss National Curriculum Framework for Foundational Education, that is NCFPE 2022. And second one, we'll discuss National Curriculum Framework for School Education, that is NCFSE 2023. So these are under National Curriculum Framework as well as under National Education Policy 2020. We are going to discuss foundational and school educational reforms. Okay, so we'll discuss about the National Education Policy 2020 or NEP 2020. It is a new vision where holistic education focus on overall development of a child beyond regular academic. Then this new education policy, the structure is divided like this: 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4. This is the structure. So it is going to replace 10 plus 2 system or intermediate system. So role of National Curriculum Framework, that's the NCFS guiding principle for curriculum design and implementation. So what is National Curriculum Framework for Foundational Education? Okay, the 2022 and National Curriculum Framework for Foundational Education. So it is it is targeted 3 to 8 years. So it covers early childhood care and education. Simply we can say this ECCE for class 1 to 1 and 2. So it's focused on foundational literacy like LSRW and normal numeracy, mathematics. So emphasis on overall development. Then it comes to the what is the 5 dominions of this NCFPE National Curriculum Framework for Foundational Education is. Here there are 5 dominions. One is physical, then cognitive, language and literacy, socio, emotional and creative and aesthetic. What is physical? It is a motor skills and health. Cognitive, it is related to the thinking and problem solving. Then language and literacy, it is related to communication. Socio emotional, it is the feelings and relationship. Then creative, aesthetic, arts and imagination. Then National Curriculum Framework for Foundational Education, that is simply we can say that NCFPE 2022 Pedagogy and Assessment. So it is learning is based on play-based learning. So using toys, stories and games as a teaching tool. So it is a activity-centered method for engagement. Then observation-based assessment. So there is no formal examination. So portfolio approach to track progress and development. Then what is National Curriculum Framework for School Education? Okay, it covers between the 3 to 12 grades under new school curriculum. Then the structure will be 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 model across all the stages. So the focus is on multidisciplinary, flexible and experiential learning. Then what is the key curriculum changes? It is a multidisciplinary learning, like it is going to be integrate all the subject. Then subject flexibility, student choose streams, experimental pedagogy, learning by doing. Then vocational and language reforms. So vocational education like internship from grade 6 and skill modules integrated. Then local trade integration. Then language policy, mother tongue till grade 5th, 3 language formula implementing. Then early multilingual learning. Then assessment and teachers role. The assessment reforms are, it's a formative evaluation replaces the rote testing. It is going to be competence-based questions and holistic progress card track overall development. So teacher as a facilitator, so mentor rather than instructor. So guides learning process and assessment, foster critical thinking. So what is the difference between basic difference? National Curriculum Framework for Foundational Education, simply we can say that NCFPE, that is a foundational education. National Curriculum Framework for Foundational Education and National Curriculum Framework for School Education 2023. So the first one, which covers NCFPE, covers age between 3 to 8 years. It is a early childhood care and education, ECCE to grade 2. And in NCFSE, that is the school education, It's a grade 3 to 12. Then pedagogy. So in NCFPE 2022, it is going to be play-based activity center. Then in NCFSE 2023, experimental multidisciplinary. And then assessment in NCFPE 2022, it is observation and no examination. But it comes to the NCFSE 2023, it is going to be a formative and competence based. And the focus in NCFPE 2022, foundational literacy and numeracy. Okay, that is, we can say that FLN, foundational literacy and numeracy and holistic development. The focus is on NCF SC 2003, it is focused on vocational skills and flexibility. So like these both frameworks transform the Indian education system, and it is going to be a child-centered education, and it's going to be aligned with the National Education Policy 2020. So this is a small presentation about the National Curriculum Framework for Foundational Education, NCFPE 2022, and National Curriculum Framework for School Education, NCFSE 2023. So if you like this content, please do share. And if you want to join the course, you can simply download Masters Teach, where you're going to have live classes as well as all study material. It is going to be at the friendly rate. So thank you for watching Masters Teach. We'll meet in next class. Thank you.